Hello from ALTA Land. Here's an update on our Gen 2 ALTA Swinger. Yes, Gen 2. I know we just started building these, but we're already on the second gen. The changes we made is more has to do with the pivot and the internal way the bushings and the bearings work. But so we have a threaded interface on these plates now that allows us to adjust the barrel up and down to get the setting right. So these are all preset and mated together, and also we test every hitch that goes out with a guiding system to make sure that we get the perfect closure within our system. The way the Swinger is going to get shipped to you is we take out the latch interface because it's too long to fit in the box, but we're leaving you a little mark right there. You'll see a black mark, and that's really how much you screw that barrel in. So the barrel goes into that hole and it interfaces to that rod, and you screw it in, and then you latch it on here. You'll see a compression disc here on the inside, that rubber piece right there, and that is going to bulge once you squeeze it. Basically, if you get any kind of play back and forth, you need to turn this couple of turns to get it tighter. You also get in a pin and the cotter with it that goes into this hole. The way you set that up, you drop the pin in, and using the latch you get it for the pin to drop in and align all four sides. The next and the last thing is really the retractable straps, I guess, mounted to the back of your top bar or main beam or the vertical post. It's gonna go into the bolt just like the same bolt as you're using to mount your top horizontal bar on. So this strap is going to interface to your vehicle. So this strap should be facing the back of the vehicle when you put it on with this bracket. The bracket and the latch are already mounted together. So basically run the bolt through and use the same existing bolt and nut to mount this together. The operation of this is a little counterintuitive actually. So you press this button all the way, and that's where you get the release. And then when you bring it up is when you get the lock. It's kind of opposite of all other retractable straps. These are a little heftier and a little stronger. And then that latch goes to your hitch chain loop. That's on every vehicle. There's a hitch chain loop. If it has to go under and under to reach it, use some type of paracord or strap to bring it out. It's going to be easier on the strap and not potentially rip it if it's rubbing against the sharp edge. This can also be used as a come along, so when you have the bikes and you lower the bikes to get access, you can use this retractable strap that is rated for 700 pounds to bring the rack back up. It helps a lot. We've tested it a couple of times. Hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, send us an email or give us a call. We can answer most of your questions, or all your questions hopefully. But this is Ali from ALTA Racks, and we're starting to ship these swingers and looking forward to hear back from you.